I'm hungry today.
Me too.
This restaurant looks nice.
Yes, it does.
Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
Hello, welcome.
Hi.
How many people?
2 people, please.
Okay, right this way.
Thank you.
Here is your table.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Wow, there are many things on the menu.
Yes, I don't know what to choose.
What do you usually eat?
I like chicken.
Me too. The grilled chicken looks good. Yes, it does.
What about you?
I think I'll order pasta.
Pasta sounds nice.
And maybe a salad. That's healthy. I try my best. Good for you.
Hello, are you ready to order?
I think so. Yes, we're ready.
Great. What would you like?
I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Okay,
And a glass of orange juice.
sure. And for you?
I'd like the pasta, please.
Okay.
And a salad.
Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
No problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your food will be ready soon.
I'm excited. Me too. Everything smells good. Yes, it does. Do you eat out often? Not really. Me neither. I usually cook at home. What do you like to cook? Rice, chicken, and vegetables. That sounds delicious. Thank you.
Here is your grilled chicken.
Thank you.
And here is your pasta and salad.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your meal.
It looks amazing.
It really does. Let's eat.
Yes.
How is your chicken?
It's very good.
That's great. How is your pasta? It's delicious.
Good. You should try it.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. What do you think?
Wow, it's very tasty.
I told you. You were right. Thank you. This is a nice restaurant. Yes, I like it here. I'm full. Me too. The food was excellent. Yes, it was. Excuse me.
Yes?
Can we have the bill, please?
Of course.
Thank you.
Here you are.
Thank you. How much is it? Let's split it. Okay. That's easier. I agree.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you. We enjoyed the food.
We're happy to hear that.
Everything was great.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
In today's conversation, we used many useful restaurant expressions. Let's practice them together. You'll repeat after me. First naturally, then slowly. Repetition helps improve your pronunciation and builds your speaking confidence. Are you ready? Let's go. How many people? How many people? 2 people, please. 2 people, please. I'd like the grilled chicken, please. I'd like the grilled chicken, please. And a glass of orange juice. And a glass of orange juice. Can we have the bill, please? Can we have the bill, please? Thank you. We enjoyed the food. Thank you. We enjoyed the food. Goodbye. Goodbye. Great job. You just practiced a real English conversation at a restaurant. You learned how to ask for a table, order food, and ask for the bill. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to speak English. Every conversation helps you become more confident. And guess what? In our next lesson, we're going shopping. You'll learn useful English phrases you can use in stores, supermarkets, and shopping centers. Subscribe to this channel and click the next video on your screen. Let's keep learning English together. See you there!